In order to get started with SQL, the first thing that we need is installation of two things. One is PostgreSQL and the second is PGAdmin. So let's get started right away. The first thing that you need to do is just Google PostgreSQL and then just click on the first link that you see after these advertisements. So I'll click on this PostgreSQL link. The next thing that you need to do is click on this download button. So depending upon the OS that you're using, you can click on the respective option. I'm using Windows OS, so I'll be clicking on this Windows option. And the next thing that you do is click on this download the installer link. Okay. On the next page, just in case you have 32-bit system, then what you can do is, depending upon your requirement, you can select the lower version. I have got the 64-bit system, so I'll be selecting the latest version of PostgreSQL. Uh, and then this installation will get started. Okay. So once the downloading is completed, you just open this particular file and double click. uh, the next thing that you do is click on the next button. uh, then you select the installation directory. I will not change anything, so I'll just keep this as is and click on the next button. Then I want to select all these four options, so I'll keep all the four checkboxes and click on the next button. Again, the directory remains same. I'll just click on the next button. So hold on for a minute once you reach this particular page, because at this point of time you need to provide the password, and it's important that you note down the password somewhere, because in case you forget the password, then I will not be able to do anything. Nobody can do anything, because then you will have to do the entire installation right from the scratch. So that's why please ensure that you note down the password somewhere. Okay. So I put my password and then click on the next button. By default you will get the port as 5432. Just in case you get something else like 5433 or 5434, that is also fine. You just click on the next button. Then I'll click the default locale, okay, and click on the next button. uh, Go on and click the next button for this step as well, and this setup is ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer. So I'll click on the next button, and this will initiate the installation of PostgreSQL. So once the installation is completed, you will be able to see this particular pop-up. At this point of time, I do not want to launch this, so I'll uncheck this box and click on the finish. Now the next thing that I want to do is start installation for PGAdmin. So what I'll do is I'll just simply type PGAdmin, and the first link that I see, pgadmin.org, I'll just click on this particular link and then just click on this download button. On the next page, you just select the OS that you are using. So as I'm using the Windows OS, I'll just click on this Windows button. Then I'll go ahead and click on the latest available version for PGAdmin. So I'll just click on this latest option. The next page that you see may look a little bit confusing at first, but all you need to do is just click on this particular executable file, and then that will initiate the downloading for PGAdmin file. Once you finish the downloading for the PGAdmin executable file, all you need to do is click on this particular file and double click. That will initiate the installation for PGAdmin. So I'll just click on this install for me only and click on the next button, and go ahead and just follow the simple steps, and then again click on the next button and click on this install option. This will initiate the installation for the PGAdmin. So just in case you do not know, PGAdmin is nothing but the graphic user interface that we would be using for making the queries. Once you finish the installation, just click on this finish button. Then the next thing that you do is search for PGAdmin. However, please note that you do not click on this executable file, rather you click on this application. And then you will be redirected to this PGAdmin application page, wherein again you need to click on these servers, and then you need to put the password which I had requested you to note down somewhere. So use the same password and then click OK button. So I put the password and I click the OK button. So please follow these steps in order to get started with the SQL. If you do not want to use this particular application, you can use the MS SQL or any other application that you want. In the next session, we will get started with actual SQL queries. Okay. Thank you so much.